Alrighty, so here we have another example on finding the area of a circle. Jean's frying pan is 14.5 inches in diameter. Will the area of his frying pan be 165 inches square? We are being asked around to the nearest whole, so let's find out. Before we do that, actually, let's highlight important information. We know that his frying pan is 14.5 inches in diameter. We need to find the area of the frying pan to see if it's equal to 165 inches square, or square inches. All right, so let's write down the formula for area. We know that area is equal to pi times r squared, but we are not given the radius here. We know that the diameter is 14.5 inches, okay? And we need to find, in order to use that, we need to find the radius, which is just half of the diameter, okay? So let's rewrite our formula. Let's rewrite our formula. We have area equals pi times d, which is diameter, divided by 2, which is the radius, square. That way we don't have to compute anything else or try to find something when we can just plug it into our calculator. So we know what the diameter is equal to. So let's replace the diameter with a value. The diameter is 14.5, so we put in 14.5 divided by 2 square. So let's go ahead and use our calculator. Again, let me bring this into view for you guys. Move this over. So we have, now remember, keep in mind that you can do this all in one step on your calculator when you get to this point right here. But again, I like to break it down so that everybody can follow along. So I'm going to focus inside the parentheses. So I have 14.5 divided by 2, which gives me 7.25. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite these. A equals pi times 7.25 squared. There's my radius. Now I'm going to square that out. So we got 7.25 squared. And I'm going to go ahead and write that too. I like to write every number I get because it keeps me on track. So we got pi times 52.5625. And now we can just multiply that together. So we got 52.5625 pi. And we get 165. We needed to round to the nearest whole, right? So 165. So we got A is equal to 165, what was my units? Inches. Let me close this off so that we can see everything in one screen. There we go. There's like an extra little line here. All right. Try to make it pretty. And there we go. So we were trying to verify that the area of his frying pan was actually 165, which it was. So we used the formula pi times radius squared, but since we weren't given the radius, we replaced it with diameter divided by 2, which is the same thing as the radius. I'm going to highlight this part right here. These steps are optional. If you plug this whole thing into your calculator, it should have taken you straight to here. Okay? So we took 14.5, divided it by 2 to get our radius. We squared it, and then we multiplied by pi, and we got our final answer of 165 inches squared, because it's area. Okay. Remember, units are very important, guys. So please try to remember to write them down. All right. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, make sure to leave us a comment or just reach out to us individually. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.